Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to replace rear struts on a Toyota Camry. First, gather your essential tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a complete wrench set. Make sure you have your new rear struts and a spring compressor ready. Remember, safety is paramount throughout this process, so always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Let's get started. Now, let's prepare your vehicle. Begin by safely lifting the rear of your Camry and securing it firmly with jack stands. Next, carefully remove the rear wheel to gain clear access to the strut assembly. Once the wheel is off, you can proceed to unbolt the top and bottom mounting points of the old strut. Take your time with each step to ensure everything is done correctly. With the old strut removed, it's time to assemble the new one. Use a spring compressor to safely remove the spring from the old strut. Then, carefully install that same spring onto your new strut assembly. Once the spring is securely in place, you can carefully position the new strut into its mounting points and bolt it down. Ensure all connections are snug. You're almost done. Reattach the wheel and carefully lower your vehicle back to the ground. It's crucial to torque all bolts to the manufacturer's specified settings for safety and longevity. Finally, for optimal handling and tire wear, we highly recommend getting a wheel alignment after replacing your struts. This ensures your Camry drives smoothly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.